In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Behance portfolio. Whether you are a designer, photographer, or any kind of visual creative, a clear, polished Behance portfolio helps people find your work and understand your strengths. We'll keep it simple and thorough so you can follow along confidently from start to finish. First, sign up or sign in to Behance using your email or a social account like Google, Apple, or Facebook. Choose a professional display name and handle that matches your other platforms to keep your brand consistent. Before you add any projects, take a moment to optimize your profile. Upload a clean, high-quality profile photo. Write a short description that highlights what you do, the types of work you take on, and the tools you are comfortable with. Add links to your other platforms such as your professional social profiles or personal website, so viewers can learn more and contact you easily. A strong profile sets expectations and makes your projects more credible. Now, it's time to create your first project. Click Share Your Work at the top right and select Project. This opens the editor, where you'll build your presentation. Use the editor to add images, text, and videos. Think of your project like a story. Start with a brief overview. Then show your process or final results in a logical flow. For images, upload high-resolution files so details look crisp on all screens. If you have many visuals, use the photo grid to arrange them neatly and guide the viewer's eye. Keep file sizes reasonable so the page loads quickly without sacrificing quality. If you have motion pieces or walkthroughs, embed videos from YouTube or Vimeo. Place them where they naturally complement your images, and add a short caption for context, so viewers know what they're about to see. Style your layout to match your aesthetic. Adjust the background color and spacing for readability and cohesion with your work. Neutral backgrounds often let your visuals shine, and consistent spacing helps everything feel polished. When you are happy with the layout, click Continue to add crucial project details. Upload a strong thumbnail. This is the first thing people see. Then write a clear descriptive title. Add up to 10 relevant tags to improve discoverability. Use accurate, specific keywords that reflect the content. Next, set discoverability. Choose the creative fields that best fit your project, like graphic design or photography, and list the tools you used. Decide on visibility. Everyone makes it public, while private keeps it hidden until you are ready. Finally, click Publish to make your project live. Keep building and refining over time, and your Behance portfolio will grow into a compelling showcase of your best work. Thanks for watching.